Ikaw. Good. Okay, you can do any.
I want to be
Very grateful that I got to spend time with all of you. And I hope you do very well with everything. Yeah. I love you very much, so yeah. I'm sad to leave. Yeah.
So I know it's a lot, but does somebody want to try? Try to make a sentence with a WH question.
I like
I had such a fun time and I feel like you guys are such good students and I had a very good time. I wish I would stay longer